Hello! In this video, I will show you how to integrate GiveWP with AffiliatePress. Now, go to the AffiliatePress settings page. Open the Integrations tab. This is the AffiliatePress integration page. Here you can see 22 plus default integrations. Enable GiveWP integration, then click to Save button. Save the changes, now go to the Affiliates page. This is the AffiliatePress Affiliates page. Here you can see all the affiliate users for this site. Using an affiliate link, the customer visits your website. Now, go to the GiveWP Campaigns page. This is the Campaigns page, where you can see the campaigns list and now edit the AffiliatePress campaign. Go to the Forms page and edit the donation form. This is the donation form page. Now, go to the Settings page and open the AffiliatePress Commission tab and enable the commission option. After that, click to Update button and update your settings. Go to the front-end side and use the copied affiliates link. Open the donation form page. This is the campaign details page. Now click on to Continue to Donate button. Select the donation amount and click to Donate Now button. Enter the basic details and click the Continue button. Select the payment method and click to Donate Now button. Now, see Successfully Donate Your Money. Now go to the back-end side AffiliatePress Commission page. This is the AffiliatePress Commission page. Here you can see all the commission-related entries. See, the first entry is the GiveWP commission record. Go to the Affiliate User Affiliate panel. This is the AffiliatePress Affiliate panel. Now, open the Commission tab. Here, affiliate users see all the commission-related records. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.